Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make this easy to stitch seed beads bracelet. I'm showing the instructions really slowly and step by step, so I'm sure even if you're a beginner you're gonna be able to make it by yourself by the end of this tutorial. If you want to support me, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And in this way you will know when I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. And I have matching earrings to this bracelet, and I'll link to them here at the eye icon. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find a full list of materials, link to my store, link for PayPal donations to develop this channel, and Amazon links where you could buy supplies from. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this video are two colors of 11/0 seed beads, silver and black, and I use 8/0 beads in this beautiful red color. And here I use lobster's claw clasp and a jump ring. This is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. This is size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I think that an arm span will be enough for the whole bracelet. If it's not, you could add more thread, and I have tutorials on how to add more thread. And now I'm going to start by picking up 4 beads. Okay, and I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is make a knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop and going twice with my tail thread through the loop I've made, and I pull, and then I will make one more knot. Okay, like this. Now guys, I will go here through this red bead, through the following red bead. What I want to take here are 3 black beads, and I will go through it with those 3 beads. Slide those down like this, and then I'm going to take 3 more seed beads, black seed beads. Okay, and I have this, and now I'm going back in circle through this red bead. Okay, and now I'm going to reinforce this part. Okay, and now I have this, and I will go through those 2 red beads. Okay, now I have this, and now what I want to take are 5 silver beads, 5, and I'm taking 1 red bead and then 5 silvers again. Okay, here are 5 more. And now guys, I will go back in circle through this red one, like this. Okay, now I have this. You see, now it's easier for me to flip my work, because I'm right-handed and I prefer to work in this direction. And I'm going to take 3 silver beads, like that, 3 of them. And I will go through the middle silver bead here. this is the middle one. Here I have 2 beads and here I have 2 beads. And this is the middle one, or the third one counting from here. Okay. And then I pull. And I have this. Then I'm going to take 3 silver beads, skip those 2 beads here, and go through this red one, like that, and pull. Now you see what I have. Now I'm going to take 3 red beads, and I want to make the same element like here. 4 beads in a cross, but here I have already added 1 red bead. That is why I'm adding 3 more and making here a cross of 4 beads. This is called right angle weave. Okay, now I have this. And I'm going to take 3 more silver beads. And guess what? I'm skipping those 2 beads, going through the middle, third one. Okay, the same way like I did at the other side of my work. Okay, like that. Now I need 3 more silvers. Okay, I have this. And I will go here through this red one. Okay, and pull. Now I'm exiting out of this middle red bead. And what I want to do is go through these 3 beads that I added in my previous row. Okay, like this. And I need 3 black beads. And go through those 3 silver beads. And through the red one here. And pull. Okay. Now, guys, I will go through these 3 beads here that are on my way after the red one. Pull. And I'm going to add 3 black ones. Okay, I have 3. And go back through these 3 here. Like this. Now I have this. Okay, guys, then what I do is that I want to reach this part here with the 3 red beads. Okay, and I want to exit out of this red one here in this direction. Okay, now I'm in the position to start my next element, and for my next element I will take this time 5 black beads. Okay, you see I have 5. And I'm going to take 1 red and then 5 blacks again. Okay, again I have 5 beads here. And I will slide those down like this. And I will go back in circle through this red one. Okay. Now, guys, what I do is that I take 3 black beads. Okay, I have 3 here on my needle. And I will go through this middle black bead, like I did before in my previous element. The middle one of 5. I have 2 beads surrounding it from each side. Okay, 3 more. And I will go through this red one here. Okay, then I will take 3 red beads, go back like this, take 3 blacks and go in the middle black one here. Okay, press it a little bit to fix it. 3 more, go here through the red one. Okay, then go through these 3 black beads that you added in your last row and take this time 3 silver beads and go through the following 3 beads, and if you can also through the red one in one movement. Okay, then I will go through these 3 here like that. Take 3 silvers, go through these 3 beads in this row and pull. And after I pull tight and nice, this is what I have. Okay, and in my next step, what I want to do is go through all of those beads here. And I will exit here at this red one. And here, guys, I'm in a position to start my next element. And for my next element, I will start with 5 silvers, 1 red, 5 silvers, and I will make it in silver color. Then I will make one in black color, and I will flip the colors and alternate them until the end of my bracelet. And when I'm ready, I'll be back to tell you how to finish it. Okay, guys, and when I continued beading, I have 10 elements. If your thread is over, if you didn't take thread long enough to make 10 elements, I have a lot of tutorials where I'm showing how to add more thread. Just write me in the comments if you don't know how to add more thread, and I'll give you a link to one of my tutorials where I'm showing this. Okay, and now it comes the last step where I'm adding my jump ring. And in order to do this, I will take 6 black beads. Okay, I have my 6 black beads here, and I will take my jump ring like this, and I will go back in circle through this red one. And now I'm going to reinforce this part here. Okay, guys, and I reinforced this part. You could do this 2 or 3 times. Okay, as many times as you can. Then I want to exit here and choose a place to make a knot. Okay. Okay, I will go here between those 2 black beads at the side of my work. Like this. And here I'm going to make a loop, go twice through this loop you made, pull, then go through the following seed bead and cut your thread as close as possible to your work, but never cut next to a knot. Always go through the following seed bead and then cut your thread. And now guys, my bracelet is ready. Okay guys, and now my easy to stitch seed beads bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find a full list of materials, link to Amazon where you could buy supplies from, link to my store, and link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.